Hello students, today we will learn condition of maxima and minima in thin film. In thin films, the path difference between two coherent beams is equal to 2 mu t cos r, where mu is the refractive index of the film, t is the thickness of the film, and r is the angle of refraction. In reflected system, one of the coherent beam is reflected from the denser surface suffers a path change of lambda by 2. Therefore, the path difference between two coherent beams in reflected system is equal to 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2. For maxima or constructive interference, this path difference 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2 is equal to 2n lambda by 2. This can be further simplified as 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, or 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. In reflected system, for minima or destructive interference, the path difference between two coherent beams 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2 will be equal to odd multiple of lambda by 2. It can be written as 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n lambda by 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Hence, in reflected system, the central fringe is always dark. In transmitted system, the path difference between two coherent beams is 2 mu t cos r. This is because in transmitted system, one of the coherent beam is reflected twice on the denser surface. Hence, it suffers a path change of lambda. Therefore, both the coherent beams are in the same phase. So, we do not add the factor of lambda by 2 in this case. For maxima or constructive interference, the path difference between coherent beams 2 mu t cos r is equal to even multiple of lambda by 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2, which indicates that in transmitted system the central fringe is always bright. For minima or destructive interference, the path difference between two coherent beams is equal to odd multiple of lambda by 2. So we write it 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 for n equal to 1, 2, 3, or 2 mu t cos r equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Let us consider an example. Calculate the thickness of a soap bubble film, refractive index 1.46, that will result in constructive interference in the reflected light.